Hi, I'm Danny from Ai2, and I'm here to demo how to self-host the Ai2 Soft Verified Efficient Repository Agents model, or SERA for short. We're going to deploy it on Modal and use Claude Code to interact with it. To get started, you'll need to install both Modal and the Ai2 SERA CLI. Great, so I already had both installed, and they're both available on PyPy for easy access. Next, we need to set up Modal. So we chose to use Modal for this demo because Modal has a great onboarding flow, easy to use API, and gives credits to new users, which should let you try out SERA for around 6 to 7 hours for free. You can easily adapt the SERA CLI code to use any other cloud GPU provider, or to deploy SERA on your own hardware for full control. The SERA CLI repo has more detail on the deployment options that you can, for those that are interested, you can dig into those. So I'm going to run Modal setup. This will open up a browser where I can create an account, log in, and then authorize my machine to manage cloud GPU resources. So I gave it permission to manage resources, and now I can use the SERA CLI to start up the model. So this SERA -- modal command will do a few things. This will start up a new Modal app, download the SERA model from Hugging Face, and start up vLLM to host the model with OpenAI compatible endpoints. After vLLM is ready, it will start up Claude Code and let you interact with it as you normally would. This all takes a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to show you what this looks like once the deployment is complete. All right, we're back and the deployment's complete. Now we'll be able to interact with SERA using Claude Code. I'm going to give it a little test task to update the SERA deployment to use 2 GPUs instead of 1, and to set the tensor parallelism to 2 to make the model a little bit faster. So one note about the integration with Claude Code and the SERA model is that it shows the full thinking outputs of the model. So it'll tend to be a little bit more verbose than the typical Claude Code experience. So here it went ahead and read the main file. It's updating the configuration to be 2 H100s instead of just 1. Then next it should add the tensor parallelism flag. Great, it updated the vLLM arguments. Nice, great, so that was easy. It made all the changes that we need, and now, since we're all done, the other part of this command is that when you actually exit Claude Code, it will clean up the Modal resources so you don't have extra GPUs sitting idle. Yeah, so that was the full demo. Thank you for watching, and I hope you give the SERA model a try on your own projects. Thank you.